question 15. So in a geometric sequence, the first term is 2, the 8th term equals the square of the 5th term. What is the common ratio of the sequence? Express your answer as a common fraction. Okay, so a geometric sequence, some of you might know, is a sequence where you have some number. Let's say we start with the number a. That's the first number in the sequence. And then we have the second number in the sequence, which is a times some common ratio r. And then we have the third term is a times r, which is the second term, but then times r again. So as you keep moving up, you times the previous term. You take the previous term and you multiply by r. So the fourth term would be ar cubed. The fifth term would be ar to the fourth. That's a geometric sequence. So one example of a geometric sequence is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and then so on. And this is a geometric sequence because every single number is 2 times the number before it. So in this case, what's the common ratio? R equals 2, because every single number is 2 times the previous number. Okay, so now that we were well-versed on geometric sequences, we are told that we have one where the first term is 2, and then second, third, fourth, fifth. So we have our fifth term, and then we have a common ratio r, and we want to find r. So the second term is 2 times r, third term is 2 times r squared, and then the fourth term is 2 times r cubed. It means the fifth term is 2 times r to the fourth. That's the fifth term that they talked about here. And then we have 6, 7, 8. The eighth term is 2 times r to the 7th. If you see, like, we have eighth term, and then the exponent up here is 7. We have the fifth term, the exponent up here is 4. So that's just how I got there a little bit quicker, because the exponent above the r is just 1 less than the term that we're talking about. So now they tell us that the 8th term equals the square of the 5th term. So let's write that out. So the 8th term, that's 2 times r to the 7th, is equal to the 5th term, 2 times r to the 4th, squared. All right? So let's simplify this. 2r to the 7th equals 4 times, that's 4 is 2 squared, and then r to the 4th squared is r to the 8th. Now if I divide both sides by 2, I get r to the 7th equals 2r to the 8th. And then divide both sides by r to the 7th, I get 1 is equal to 2r, just 2r. So because I want to find r, I'm told I can divide both sides by 2, and I get r equals 1/2. So that is my answer. And they did say, express your answer as a common fraction. So I know that because I have 1/2, it's more likely to be correct. Because if I had an answer like 2, that's not a fraction. And if I were to express it in a fraction, that would not be correct. It would not be a common fraction. So knowing I have a fraction helps me make sure my answer is correct.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.